So, as a creative entrepreneur, and this term is not necessarily like a definite term, like you probably can find it in a dictionary, but a creative entrepreneur is someone that is making a living and capitalizing on their creativity, right? And that's what a lot of us are out here trying to accomplish. And you need to blaze the trail with confidence and clarity, right? But sometimes when we are in these creative deficits, it's because we have blocks. So tell me how important it is to identify those blocks so that your creativity can be at the fullest potential.
Well, it's one thing that, I teach in the Catlett Academy. It's one of the first things that I teach. And one of the first lessons is doing your unforgiveness list. Because a lot of times we're carrying baggage and we're carrying weight and we wonder why we're blocked.
Yes.
It's no different than your sink being clogged.
Oh, that's good.
The water can't flow. Creativity is a river. It's a sea. It's water, and it must flow.
Oh,
so the creative entrepreneur is a person that needs to flow in the respective field that they're interested in. And so if you have those blocks, you won't be able to flow. Just like money is currency, it's a current, it's constantly flowing. So maybe your millions are blocked, like the drain. You know what I mean? So it's different things that you have to recognize that you probably just haven't thought about because we're constantly on a hustle base, which is why we need to be recharged and refueled so that we can embark on the journey and the destiny that is for us.
Yeah.
And so, that's one of the main reasons why you must identify those blocks.
That's so good. And that's what's going to happen in our first session of the recharge. It's called a release. And we go through a series of exercises. We're going to get active. We're going to get up. We're going to move our body. We're going to declare some stuff and speak some stuff. And then we're going to go right into discussion, which is your chance to ask questions, gain direction, guidance, whatever it is that you're being challenged with. As a creative entrepreneur, you get to ask, and then you get those answers and those solutions. Then we go into
the third one,
which is activation.
Activation.
Yeah, and what's going to happen? How can someone be activated as a creative?
Well, one in the first, part, you would have got rid of your blocks and identified your blocks. Then we would have talked about it because once you speak it out, then it breaks.
Oh, that's good.
You know what I mean? And once it breaks, now your heart is open. Now, the gifts that are in me and the gifts that are in you, now we can activate you so that you can be able to run the race.
That's really good.
So it's going to be a lot of shedding. Don't be afraid, but it will be a lot of shedding, but it'll be a safe place to shed. And as creatives, we need a safe place to shed. Even when I was in acting classes, right? Some of your best actors perform well in acting class because it's a safe place.
Wow.
You become great when you're able to take what you would do in acting class and produce it in the audition. Wow. You know what I mean? But it's okay. It's a safe place where you can shed.
Yeah.
But the activation will be powerful, and I'm so looking forward to it. And it's never been done before. I've never seen this before.
No.
And I can guarantee you that your life will never be the same, and you will be shifted into a level that you haven't seen just yet. So come ready, July 8th. If you have to fly in town, fly in town. It'll be in person, and it'll also be online, but make sure that you can get there.
Yes.
And I'm looking forward to it.
Yeah, so when you're there, you're going to also get to meet like-minded creatives that are on the same path.
Yeah.
So tell me, how important is it to have that tribe and people that think the same? Because sometimes as creatives, we don't always have the support of family members.
That is a very good question. It's important to find your tribe. And the number one reason is on the journey, there's some dark spots. And there's a lot of dark spots on the journey. And if you have someone to say, keep going, I believe in you. And sometimes that's going to be you encouraging you. But when you have that tribe, you can talk to somebody, hey, I'm feeling like this today. And, I don't know if I can get there. But I know I've come too far to go back.
Yeah.
So you just need a little word to push you to the next phase. And so you're going to be able to identify your tribe as you all come to this group. You know what I mean?
So
it's going to be amazing. It's going to be
yeah.
beautiful, and I'm super excited. And I'm actually super thankful that, you know, I've been selected to lead this thing.
Yeah.
It's gonna
And
be
it'll
amazing.
be guided by Will, and this is our academy, Catlett Academy's first in-person event. So we
Yeah.
can't wait. It's super special, and we've been working on this for a little bit.
Yeah,
It's been over
it's
4
going to be
years.
amazing, and
Yeah.
it's going to be amazing. You know,
Yeah.
I don't want to give too much, but I do want to say seats are limited. It will go fast. Jump on it right now.
Yeah.
July 8th, one night only. I
Yeah.
cannot wait to see you there. I will be there. I cannot wait to see you there. And with that being said, I love you, and I'll see you soon.